What's up, guys? This is Michael and David.
I'm David.
And I'm still Michael. Today we're going to be learning about the mind abacus.
This is the abacus, and you are going to be picturing it in your mind. And you're going to move the beads like you would do on a real abacus. Here's some examples.
For beginners, you could close your eyes if you want to help yourself. +4, -2, -2, +3, +1, -1, -2.
1.
That's the answer. +4, -1, -2, -1, +5, +4, -5, -3, -1, +3, +5. 8. This is 8. This is 5, and then that's 3. 5 + 3 is 8. So obviously he got it correct.
3 -1 -1 3 -4 3 -1 -2 1 1.
The answer is 2.
Yeah! He did the slower part, but I'm gonna do the faster part. They call me Flash for a reason. That's 1. Yeah! If you thought that one was fast, I'm gonna do a faster one. 0.3 seconds and 30 problems.
If you like this video,
Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Boom, boom,
boom. Action.
-1, -5, +4, -3,
1.
-1, -1, +3,
3 -2
I'm gonna do the faster part. If you thought that one was fast, trust me, this one is much faster. It's fast.
Oh crap.
I realized it.
Jabba-dabba. That's how cool I am. And that's 1.
I like how you said, and that's 1. The answer was 4. Ah. He can do calculations, but he cannot say numbers correctly.
They called me a lot for that.
They call me Flash.
Now, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Boom, boom.
Michael, no. Boom, 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 boom. No,
Not that many. No, it's not. It's boom, boom, boom. It's boom, boom, boom. Not boom, boom, boom.
Just do it quickly. Okay, ready?